Good morning, team. Hey, this is G07 here. Hey, this little video is just going to talk about a database I created to be a pizza oven timer. I recently went to a restaurant and sat at the bar across from the pizza oven, and I watched the chef work this magic with the pizza oven, multiple ovens, and he was putting pizzas in and then had a timer, and depending on where he placed it inside the oven, he would set the appropriate timer and it would go off. It was just a work of art watching this. So being the geek that I am, I decided to go back to the table and see if I could recreate that here in Red Line product. So here I got a pizza oven timer, and in this example, I've got a bunch of tags developed with different timers, different ovens, if you will, in here. And I'm not going to go through the whole database, but I'm going to show it to you working. It's kind of fun. It's going to give me a platform to do a bunch of other things. I've got a bunch of programs in here that run some code, and then each oven or timer has logic. Pretty simple, but it's pretty effective. And I'm just going to run this in the simulator. If you want to copy this program, send me an email and request the G07 pizza timer, and I'll send it to you. What's really nice about this is in Crimson 3.2, you can use the emulator to see this working. So when you get the program, this button right here, this little icon here, turns on the emulator. If it's the first time you're using the emulator, you'll need to install the PCAP software. There's a little pop-up. Just go ahead and do that. And then once you do that, if you hit the Shazam button or update, you can download to your emulator, and it's going to be running. Now, here's the emulator running, and you can see all 9 ovens. In this case, these ovens all have different times that the pizza will cook. In the one I'm going to show in a little bit, I'm doing longer times, but in this case, down here, these time links are pre-built times. There's a program running in Crimson where you can adjust these lengths, but that's the time for each oven. And then there's a thing called restart time. And the restart time is at the beginning of each new minute. If the oven is done, then it will re-trigger to cook a new pizza. I want you to take notice that when the pizza's cooking, you get a flame on here, and when it's done, the icon stops. Also, every time the pizza is done, like for instance, this oven here, when it gets done here, down to 2 or 1 second, the pizza count will automatically increment. So you see 53 there. Now, if you look here, I missed it, but these are the restart times. So if you look at 17 seconds, watch this one here. Right at 17 seconds, it goes to 22, and there it is. This is the clock that's in here, so you can watch the magic. Let's say here at 30 seconds, well, if this guy was done, it would restart, but it's not done. So how about this one here? That's number 42. So at 42 seconds, this one here should go to 88 seconds. Let's see. 42, here we go. 41, 42, boom. There's 88 seconds. You might say, what do you mean 88 seconds? Well, 60 seconds plus an extra 28 equals that number in minutes and seconds. Anyway, that's how this thing works. And like I said, if you want to copy this, I'll be glad to send it to you. It's a wonderful application to play with in the demo mode. Again, just send me an email and request the G07 pizza timer, and I'll send it to you. I'm going to build some more videos on this concept, but really cool thing to play with in the emulator. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day. We'll see you later.